Hi, seventh graders. We would like to share with you some information about your upcoming final exam. And you know that your final exam is worth 10% of your overall grade. So we want to make sure that you are very well prepared to take your test. So the first thing you need to know about your exam is when it will be. Your exam is going to be available at 8 a.m. starting Friday, May 15th. Once you open your exam, you have exactly 2 hours to complete it. The exam consists of 5 open-ended questions. You need to please make sure that you answer each question completely and explain your answer. And when we say completely, we say that because there are some questions that even though it's one question, there may be 2 or 3 parts to that question. To receive full credit, you are going to need to make sure that you explain every answer. So it's not enough to just have an answer. You need to explain how you arrived at that answer. All right, so your expectations. You are going to be working alone to complete your final exam. That means you are not working with a friend, you are not working with a parent, you are not working with a tutor or a sibling. You are sitting by yourself and completing the exam. You are going to be writing an honor statement that shows your commitment to following that rule and following all of our expectations. So you are completing the final exam without any help and without helping others, and you need to make sure that you do so within the 2-hour time limit because your exam will time out after 2 hours. So it will not let you continue working. All right, some tips for while you are testing. You should probably sit in a quiet area that is free from interruptions and make sure that you communicate with your family and people that are around you. Make sure that they know that you're taking a final exam so that they know not to interrupt you during it. Because you're taking a math final exam, make sure you have a pencil, a paper, and calculator available. And if you don't have your own calculator, remember that the Desmos calculator is always available online. Make sure that you try your best. Answer every question completely and explain all of your answers. The good thing about this test is that it's online, which means you are going to be able to use your notes. So take advantage of that, but make sure that you are answering every question fully and that you are explaining every single answer. For the topics that are going to be covered on your test, these are the major topics that you will see. You are going to need to know how to find the area and circumference of circles. You will be able to need to use the triangle inequality theorem. And the triangle inequality theorem is the one about the side lengths of the triangles, not angles. Those are two different things. So you need to make sure that you are aware of what those differences are. You are also going to be doing things with angles. So those are vertical, supplementary, and complementary angles, and also with exponent rules. So everything with exponents will be on there as well. Make sure that you are well prepared for your test. Your teachers will be putting up reviews for the entire week. Make sure that you study, complete all your work so that you are ready for your test. So most of all, just remember you are prepared for the exam. Do not stress out about it. Just make sure that you take your time and do your best. Good luck.